Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix CapCut no internet connection problem on your mobile phone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on CapCut. And as you can see here, you are facing no internet connection. So what you're gonna do is go back and click on Play Store, and in the search box type in Solo VPN and install it on your device. Once it's downloaded, click on open and connect it to CapCut. Once it's connected, go back to CapCut. And as you can see here, we are not facing no internet connection or anything here. So that's how easily you can fix CapCut no internet connection problem on your mobile phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.